Hey babes, welcome back to the channel, and I'm back with a new video. Today's video is going to be a little different. I'm doing a wig try-on haul, and I'm featuring 5 lace front wigs from Vallbest hair. Everything will be linked down in the description box, and we're starting off with this bomb body wave balayage wig. All the details will also be in the bottom left of the screen, and I do come and do some on-screen talking. So if you're interested in any of these wigs, just click the links down below. Don't forget to let me know which one is your favorite, and I will see you at the end of the video. This is the 28-inch balayage body wave wig. It's very soft, yet it still holds a really nice curl. I use the wand curl to emphasize the body waves in here. So this is the first wig that I am showcasing from Vallbest. All links will be down below in the description box, so be sure to check those out. And let's jump into wig number 2. Okay, so this is the second wig, y'all. This one, wig number 2 is a 13x4 26-inch body wave, and this is a chocolate brown. The exact color is number 4. First of all, I love the fact that all these wigs are long because, baby, I love this color. This is so cute. The density is perfect with all of these wigs, like even from the back. This is everything to the back. Gorgeous. I did a fake baby hair swoop. I didn't want to cut baby hairs in any of these wigs for real. Yeah, this is number 2. Now we're gonna get on to the next wig. So this is wig number 3, and this is a 13x4 24-inch body wave natural color lace wig. She's so gorgeous. Look at her. I was feeling myself with this one. I did the usual. I used my T3 to curl this one, and look how soft and flowy these are. I used a little bit of hairspray. I didn't cut many layers in here. I just did like a little 1-2, but I love the way this hair flows. It is so soft and lightweight. And all of these are HD lace frontal wigs, if I did not mention. So this is going to be linked down below just like the rest. And this is definitely at the top of my list when it comes to faves. Look how gorgeous this is. So soft. It is an average, like a nice density, nothing too heavy and not too thin. So yes, this is wig number 3. So check her out. Of course, I'm loving her. Look at the hairline. T. Next, we're going to jump into wig number 4, which is the 613 body wave lace wig. And for this one, I did remember to talk to you guys on camera. So I will pop back in at the end. Wig number 4. Wig number 4. 24-inch 613 13x4 body wave lace wig, and I did wash this with purple shampoo. So what I used for this one was the wand curl as well. This is wig number 5 from Vallbest. This is a 24-inch 13x4 water curly. I honestly love this one. It gets so big. As you saw in the previous clip, when you brush her out, it's big, voluminous. And then I just put some water and some mousse on here. And let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite. I definitely love this one and the balayage. I think this along with the balayage are my absolute favorites. So I'm going to have all links down below. If I have any discount codes, that'll be down below as well. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, definitely give this video a like so I know you like this style video. I thought it was really cute and different because I got to bring you so many different looks all in one instead of 5 different videos. So big thank you to Vallbest for sponsoring this video. All links and details will be down below. I'm going to list the wigs in the order that I show them to you. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.